1, 2, 3, 4. Yar declare a thumb war. Yar! It's here. The shipment from the captain. It's here.
We've done that.
Yeah, but I said it already.
Oh.
It's here. It's here.
Come on. We
You're
now
opening it.
we need a thing from the down, don't we?
Oh shit. Let's get you over. Avast! The keyboard! Sorry, Liz.
It's Japanese.
Hi Loki, so we just want to say thank you for this keyboard.
Thanks.
So it's the first giveaway, isn't it? So I hope you liked our little sketch. Dog likes it too. And we just want to say a big thank you, really. And Ryan's going to show how it's
I was going to say,
how it's
do you
done.
want to do the
No,
honours?
you do it. You go.
Right.
Good luck.
Package that well.
Reinforced.
Mm.
Hey. Can you get into it?
No. There you go.
Hey,
Oh,
check
nice.
that out. So, let's have a look. So,
It looks like one of those hospital ones, you know, when they have the protective thing on it.
it better be
Oh,
good.
it has! It's got a fucking face on it! Fucking hell.
Right, okay.
Shall we start again, shall we?
No,
No?
we've
Keep going.
got this far.
Yeah, alright.
It sounds really stupid, Lucy. So, anyway, thank you for sending this to us. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
And we love your channel, so keep doing what you're doing. So, thanks, Loki.
Bye.
Bye. Done. Lucy, do the whole thing with like.
You have to stop it. I look like a right fucking twat.